My kids absolutely love watching American Ninja Warrior or the Beastmaster, and they love to climb. And I was thinking about some of the things that are similar to those, and what's something that we can build for them that will complement both things. And it has to do with grip strength training and agility. Here at the climbing gym, we sell these. They are hanging bar grasps. They're 2-inch diameter, and they're really nice for training. They cost about $18 plus tax, and they're not too complicated to make, but I'm actually going to show you how to make something that's similar to this that is easier to make and cheaper. We're going to use PVC. So we're going to make these bar grasps out of PVC. I've got 3 different sizes, and you don't need a lot of tools to make it out of PVC. You're going to need a drill with a drill bit, some type of a saw. You can use a hacksaw, like this guy right here. I'm going to be using a chop saw because I have that and I don't have time to just hack around. And a piece of paper, magic marker, or a Sharpie. That's it. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our paper and our pipe. We're going to line up our paper, wrap it nice and tight, get it all the way up to the end here. Make sure that these line up good. Okay, now we want to mark this where the paper meets each other, right there. And then right here, if you are using a hacksaw, you're going to go all the way around, and I'll just show you why. We're just tracing around the edge of the paper, but putting it onto the pipe. Okay, now we've got this marked and this marked up here, so we can take our paper off. This is now our cut line, so if we're using a hacksaw, we can come in and go all the way around using a hacksaw, and it'll be pretty square. Now the reason that we wanted to mark where our paper met right here is so we can get the midpoint. We want to drill these holes about midway. So we're going to put those points together, fold it. So now we have half of the circumference. And we're going to wrap the paper again, make sure that these are nice and even. So now we're going to mark and drill a hole there, and then over here where the fold is at on the paper. And that is going to get us directly through, so we're going to be fairly close to center. If you have a drill press, this will be way easier to set up on a drill press. It would be best to get a pilot bit, line this up, but I don't have one. I just gotta cut this off. Safety glasses. Dust mask. Now, when you start to get to the smaller pipe, and this is 1-inch PVC, you're probably not going to want to just go at it with this drill bit. Even with the bigger stuff, it's better if you drill a pilot hole. I'm going to drill these holes out, and that's going to make sure that when we put our regular drill bit on there, that it's not going to be slipping out of that place. Yeah. The last step of the build process is to just take our pipe and some 6mm cord. And this cord is a climbing accessory cord. I will have a link down in the description below where you can get some of this stuff. You don't want to just buy any run-of-the-mill 6mm cord. You want to get some good quality stuff. Okay, so very simple. Take one end, put it through that hole that you just drilled. The other end, put it through the other hole. So it's going to look like this. You've got a loop down here, your end's coming out. And then you're going to tie a simple overhand knot, snug it down, and have a little bit of tail coming out. And what's going to happen is when we pull this cord through and we weight it, this knot is going to bite down against the inside of the pipe, and a little bit of that tail is going to try to walk through. And then there you have it. So now we have a simple bar grasp. We can hang it up anywhere. We can just hang it on some pull-up bars and do pull-ups. We can hang it on tree limbs and make an obstacle course or build an obstacle course with this. Get up there. Fun swinging bar grasp. Now, this is a 2-inch pipe, 1 1/4 and 1 inch. If you have these different sizes, it makes it a little bit easier or harder. The bigger the pipe, the harder it's going to be to clamp down on it. I hope that you enjoyed that. This has been a really fun build, super simple, probably the easiest bar grasp or thing that you can make to increase your grip strength at home and also have fun, maybe make some courses for your little ninja warriors to go play and swing on. I'll see you next time right here on Climber Dad. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Come on, come on.
Yes.
Yeah.